Summer heat can be brutal, but your garden doesn't have to suffer. Let's talk about how to keep your plants thriving when temperatures soar. First, timing is everything. Water early in the morning when it's coolest so roots can absorb moisture before it evaporates. Avoid overhead watering at midday. It's wasteful and can scorch leaves. Next, mulch is your best friend. A thick layer of organic mulch locks in soil moisture, moderates temperature, and keeps weeds from stealing precious water. Elm dirt's organic bloom mixed with mulch not only insulates the soil, it feeds it, helping plants build resilience from the roots up. Choose heat-tolerant plants like zinnias, peppers, and eggplants, and give them some afternoon shade if possible. For containers, group pots together and place them where they get morning sun but afternoon relief. And don't forget your soil health. Healthy living soil holds water better and supports stronger roots. A dose of elm dirt soil conditioner can improve structure and microbial activity, giving plants the edge they need. Summer's tough, but smart gardening makes it thrive. Start with the soil and the rest will follow.